subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me.
Hello guys, it's Random Stuff Rider here, back with another video. So let me show you some things which I purchased from Autologue, and I'm seriously really astonished with the way they have packaged the product and sent it to me. Seriously, no one packages the product like that and sends it. The amount of bubble wrap they have used is really too much, so that the package doesn't get damaged. Before showing you the product which I purchased, let me show you what all things which you will need to purchase from offline market. So yeah, sorry. These are the handlebar weights, the smaller ones. These are the smaller ones with a spacer. We'll need a pair of this, two of this and two of this. And if this doesn't work, then you can purchase these kind of washers. You can see there is a small hump on it. This is the spacer. You will need four of these washers. So what's the video about? Today I am going to show you the handle guard which are specifically made, which are specifically made for Dominar. The design and everything is made for Dominar itself, and a 19-inch tall visor, or you can call it as a windshield as well. So yeah, let me show you the products. I can't show you it on the camera right now because the boxes are too big and it won't fit in the frame. So yeah, let me show you the boxes and the products and the amount of packaging they have used. Okay, so these are the two boxes which you can see in the video right now. In the first box, I have the knuckle guards, and just look at the amount of bubble wrap. It's too much, really too much. Let me unbox it for you, or unpack it. Now as you can see, this is the handguard which is specifically made for Dominar. As you can see a D here. This is the design. This is made for Dominar. And it's too sturdy, too thick also, as you can see. It doesn't weigh too much, but it's too much sturdy. And I would say that the quality is better than KTM knuckle guards or hand guards. I have a pair of this, and in the second box I have a windshield or a visor for Dominar. Now one more thing which I have placed in this is that this is for my future video. I won't show it now, but I have kept it in the same box. Now let me show you the another thing, the visor. See the amount of bubble wrap. Who packages with so much of bubble wrap? Seriously. And that's called the quality of trading, which many people lag behind. Okay, so this is the visor. I had already unboxed it, and I've printed my channel name with the YouTube logo. You can see it's pretty long, 19 inches in length. So one more thing which I have to tell you, that this video won't be lengthy. So I'm trying to make this video lengthy by showing you all this. So yeah, let's begin with the procedure after this short intro. One thing which I forgot to tell you is that the carbon fiber thing which you are seeing on this visor, it's not given by autologue. I wrapped it and pasted my channel name with my family goddess name and the YouTube logo here. So yeah, let's begin with the procedure. Okay, so to install the windshield or visor, you'll have to remove these 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now my brother will do that and he will do the procedures and I will show you how it's done. Okay, so the windshield has been removed. Now one thing which you have to note is that in that screw you will have a washer like this. Make sure you be careful, keep it safe because you will need this while installing the new visor as well. So yeah, keep it safe. Now to install the new visor, take the new visor, place it and align it with the holes, the rubber holes which you will have. And one thing which you have to note is that don't tighten the screws too much because the rubber washer inside will crack and break. So after placing the visor, just install a screw in it. I will do that and get back to you. Okay, so I installed the windshield or visor. Now let me tell you again that don't tighten the bolts too much, otherwise the rubber washer or the rubber nut which is inside will get torn out. And one more thing, it's not available easily and this is how it looks. Now the next thing, let's begin with the procedure for handguards. To install the handguards you have to remove the handlebar weights first. So yeah, let's remove it. Okay, so now to install the handle guard, make sure the bigger groove, this is the smaller groove, this is the bigger groove, it should be facing upwards and just tilt it like this. Just take this, the handlebar weight, insert it from here, then take this another spacer and keep the thicker hump inside towards the throttle. Install this, then take these 2 spacers with the hump side towards the throttle, both, and then take a rubber washer like this. You will get this in plumbing store. Keep it here and then tighten it. Now I am installing this rubber washer because I need some space between the metal washer and the throttle. And in Dominar the rubber throttle is towards outwards, so the throttle gets stuck when you tighten this. So I am installing this rubber washer. You won't need that on that side towards the clutch side, but on this side you will need this. So yeah, I will tighten the bolt and get back to you. Quick update guys, I have used the same handlebar weights and I have removed the rubber washer. Instead I used the 3 steel washers inside here in between, and the grooves, the hump side is facing towards the throttle. Still, as you can see, the throttle is not returning to its original position. I will have to find a different method to install it. But yeah, it's working actually. Little bit of play. It's returning back. See. So after this, one more thing, guys. Now this is the stock screw or the Allen bolt which comes with the Dominar, and I've purchased a longer bolt which is half inches longer than this to install this, because the spacers will eat up the half inch. So yeah, purchase the longer bolts for that as well. Okay, so the installation has been done by me and the throttle is working fine now. I sprayed some lubricant inside and it's working fine now, and on this side as well. After installing this screw here, Allen bolt, you won't need spacer here, but still I have installed one spacer here, and then tighten this two bolts here so that it doesn't move. 4 screws on this side as well. So yeah, that's all for this handguard procedure.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Okay, so that's how you install a visor or windshield and knuckle guards or hand guards on your bike. The procedure will be same for every bike, but if you have any modifications done on your handlebar, then the spacer or the handlebar weight might differ, because you will have to purchase accordingly. And yeah, I rode the bike for some time and there were no vibrations and the visor was also not wobbly, so it's okay. But one thing which I faced a problem while installing the handguard is that the holes on the handguards, which were the clamp which got installed on the handlebar, the hole on the handguard were not aligned, it was not straight, so I had to drill it again to make the holes straight again. So yeah, autologue, please check through it, that you check the product by installing a screw inside it and the screw stays straight. So yeah, if you like this video, please share this video, comment your views and suggestions on what videos would you like to see, and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. If you have any doubts, queries related to bikes, cars, mopeds, scooters, etc., then contact me on Instagram and Facebook, because that's the only form or stream on which I will be able to reply you properly. And yeah, please follow me there. I need followers as well. So yeah, don't be a squid. Ride safe, be safe, take care.
You cashed in on my